Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the colors or customize them of a graphic you create or edit in Canva in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, let me navigate to this example graphic here. As you can see, it's not a photo, it's not an image, and it's not a single element, but it is a graphic that I inserted from the Canva library. That doesn't mean, however, that you can't change its colors. Of course, there will be a set of preset colors, and you will find these usually here at the top if you click into the given graphic. So if I click off and click into the background, there won't be any of these preset colors. But if I click into the graphic, you will see these presets here. And in this case, this graphic here contains those 4 colors, and you can customize and change each one of them like you would for a single element. Click into it and then use the graphic colors here. For example, that palette, for example, you can use the color picker or use a custom color from that slider, or enter the hex color code here, or use one of these default solid colors. As you can see, that graphic here doesn't support gradient colors, but you can use one of these solid colors, click into it, for example, and as you can see, the color has changed for the one here of those 4 colors. And you can do the same for each of these graphic colors. Click into it and then choose one of these, use the color picker or the custom color. So I will go with, I don't know, red. And as you can see, the elements of the graphic that are associated to the given graphic color have now that new color. And continue with the next graphic color, click into it. Let me this time go with the color picker and choose white. And as you can see, the lion here has a white mane. And last, let us also change the color of the fur or of the face here to I don't know, gray, and it would look like this. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.